Hello, fellow beekeepers. This is the unboxing of the Lorobbeescom oxalic acid vaporizer. I ordered this from Lorobbeescom about 3 weeks ago. For my oxalic acid, I have been using a homemade burner. I've been using a homemade burner out of a coffee cup warmer, and a small copper cap for plumbing. That's what I've been using for oxalic acid in the fall and winter. Now this is from Lorobbeescom. Flip it over. Lorob bees. Lorobbeescom. Lorobbeescom. Spell that again. Lorobbeescom. Oxalic acid vaporizer. Now, this is their newest model, and it is designed to take. You can either get it in Milwaukee, take Milwaukee batteries, or Bosch batteries. I have Milwaukee tools, so I chose to go with the Milwaukee battery. It's a 21 volt. I have 21 volt system, drill, saw, that kind of jazz. Okay. Instructions. Instruction manual. Always nice. Here's the unit itself. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, would you look at that? Let me move the box. Put this down. Sorry about the... oh, he's low. Sorry about the helicopter. I'm in the flight path for the Olympia Airport. Sorry about the distraction. Hold on a moment. And there it is. This is the oxalic acid vaporizer. Bring it around this way. It has a nipple. It has a 1.5 inch nipple to go into the hive. It has these little spikes, as you can see. These little spikes that hold on to the hive. This is the voltage regulator. Take you around to the back. On off switch, you can control the temperature, the output rate. You take your measurer, and it has increments. It has increments right here. You can tell by where the plunger is. where increments are. It has 1 to 4 grams of oxalic acid. 1 to 4 grams. And you twist this knob here. Twist this little. Twist this. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. And it moves the plunger. And you jab it down into the oxalic acid. Pull it up. Put it in there, turn it on, let it warm up. It comes out here. It's gonna be it's gonna be so much quicker, so much faster. I don't need to take my stepson's quad or my lawnmower next to the bees for a battery source. For oxalic acid. See that there? That is where my 21 volt Milwaukee battery will slide right into. That is so awesome. Oh, that is so awesome. Yeah. So, this is called the Instant-Vap. Instant-Vap. Instant-Vap Oxalic Acid Vaporizer by Lorobbeescom. Lorobbeescom. Now, this is going to be a game changer. This is definitely going to be a game changer. Well, fellow beekeepers, till next time, have an awesome day.